Hey everyone, welcome back to the Altenew YouTube channel. This is Miriam Perez and I'm super excited to be back with a new video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the brand new mountain die set, which you can see here on the screen. This set includes 4 different dies, 2 of which are mountains and 2 of which are hills with some little trees on. I'm also going to be using some of the gradient cardstock sets from Altenew, as well as some other things that you'll be seeing throughout the video. Okay, so let's get started. These standalone die is great for creating landscape scenes, and so it is for documenting outdoor activities. Last year, I went on a trip to the mountains and I did an 18K trekking. I took a lot of photos of the place, so when I saw this die, I immediately thought on those photos and I knew that this die set would be perfect to document that memory. To incorporate the dies into my project, I decided to start by creating 2 tags, and in each one of the tags I created different landscape scenes that reminded me of my trip. For the first one, I cut out 1 mountain from brown cardstock and 2 hills in 2 different shades of green that I got from the Green Meadows gradient cardstock set, and I also used the Mountain Mist cardstock from the Seashore set for the sky. To add some more dimension to the scene, I did some ink blending using the Cloudy Sky ink from the Tranquility Ink set. For the second tag, I used white cardstock for the sky, and to add some color to it, I did some ink blending using Misty Morning ink from the Tranquility ink set as well. Next, I added 2 mountains at the bottom part of the tag in 2 different shades of brown. Once my tags were finished, I started building my layout and adding all the elements that I wanted to have on the page. I included 2 photos along with their corresponding journaling, some flowers and leaves that I fussy cut from the Floral Flurries washi tape, a few Chipboard stickers from their Reflection Scrapbook collection, and some sequins. To finish my layout, I used the roller stamp from the Reflection collection as well, and stamped the date of my photos. Okay, so that is it for today. Before this video ends, I wanted to mention that I have 2 more ideas using the mountain die set over at the Altenew Scrapbook blog, so make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, the link is down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!